presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet and passenger vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.